your course instructor for statistics for engineers. So today we would be starting with our last module, that is module 7. So these are the concepts which we would be covering. And most important of all these are hazard function, maintainability. These are the most important topics from which questions are generally asked. So we'll go in sequence only, but we'll pay more attention to hazard functions and maintainability. So let us proceed. So reliability functions are also used, reliability of series and parallel system, etc., etc. So let us start. So reliability function of the component at time t denoted by RT. So we denote the reliability function by R of t, and it is defined by R of t, probability of capital T, that is the time given, greater than the time component at the time t, whatever time t. So, and that can be written as 1 minus probability of capital T less than equal to small t. And it is also written as 1 minus capital F of t. What is f of t? F of t is cumulative distribution function of capital T, which is given by f of t is equals to 0 to small t, small f of t dt. So reliability function is equals to 1 minus, we'll replace f of t by this formula. So we will get 1 minus 0 to t f of t dt, or we can also write it as minus infinity to infinity f of t dt minus integration of 0 to t f of t dt. That would be t to infinity f of t dt, where capital T is called the life length or the time to failure of the component when the component fails, that is capital T. Okay, so in nutshell, we'll see that R of t, that is reliability of t at t, that is of t, is equals to 1 minus capital F of t. So when we differentiate this, we'll get, when we differentiate this function, so differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of capital T of f, then what is the differentiation of this? The differentiation of this, that is the cumulative function, gives us the small f of t. We have read this in module 2. So then r dash is nothing but the differentiation of r and in the function t is equals to small f of t. So small f of t is equals to minus r dash t. Okay, this is the minus sign which is coming here. So we'll just multiply minus from both on both the sides, minus 1, then we'll get this formula. Now hazard function. So hazard function is denoted by lambda t. Okay, that is f of t, small f of t, divided by capital R of t. Small f of t is nothing but r dash minus r dash. So we have replaced f of t by minus r dash t, and rt is rt, so r of t. So this would result in r of t because we know this formula. So r of t is equals to, we'll replace this. So we'll get e to the power minus 0 to t lambda t dt. So you need not worry about all these things. Just remember these formulas, square formula. This is the formula you need to remember, and this you remember, this you remember. What is r of t? These are the formula which you need to remember, and when we solve the question, it would be more clear to you. So what is the mean and variance? So mean time to failure is e of t, that is equals to 0 to infinity t ft dt, and moment generating function would be 0 to infinity r of t dt, and variance is nothing but e t square minus e t whole square. So that would be this formula. This is given by this from the above. So these are not the thing which you need to derive or remember. You just need to remember the formula for solving the questions. Okay. So conditional reliability of a system is RT given T naught is given by E to the power minus T naught to T naught plus T, capital T naught plus T, lambda T is hazard function dt. This is the exponential distribution, and they have just derived it. So we don't need to like remember all these. So moment generating function would be 1 by lambda, that is ET, that is mean. So and variance would be 1 by lambda square. Remember these things. Just these things would be enough for you. The final formula MTTF, that is moment generating function, would be 1 by lambda, and variance would be 1 by lambda square. That's it. Now in Weibull distribution, we know that the moment generating function is this and then variance is this. So z is equals to x minus nu, that is mean, by variance. That is standard deviation, not variance. So reliability is equals to t to infinity ft dt. We have read this. This is the standard normal form. So in the next class, we would be starting with the problem solving regarding these questions. Till then, take care. Bye bye.